Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today you'll be learning about transport of oxygen in blood. Okay. Let me get the pointer first. Okay. I prefer to use highlighter as it can give a contrast effect. Okay. Compared with the usage of the pen. Okay. Now, transportation of oxygen in blood is done via the red blood cell, okay, majority, which is it comprise 98.5%, okay, and 1.5% is by dissolving in the blood plasma. So this is how the oxygen is being transported in the human blood, okay. All right. Now, there are two things here, okay. This is the transportation of carbon dioxide. Ignore this, okay, because this will be explained in the carbon dioxide transportation in blood later on. Okay, so let's focus with the transportation of oxygen. Okay, now the low partial pressure of oxygen in the blood, okay, causes the oxygen diffuses into the blood from the alveoli. Right, you can see here. This is the alveoli. Okay, so the oxygen diffuses into the blood because of the low partial pressure of oxygen in the blood. Okay, and the oxygen will bind with the readily available hemoglobin, okay, to form oxyhemoglobin. So this is the oxyhemoglobin. Okay, this is the hemoglobin. Now HHB means hemoglobinic acid. Now, oxyhemoglobin transported to the heart from the lungs, okay, and pumped to the various parts of the body by the heart. Okay, so now the presence of oxygen here in the red blood cell, what happened? It will cause the dissociates of hemoglobinic acid into hemoglobin and hydrogen ions. So the oxygen will bind with the hemoglobin to form oxyhemoglobin, okay, with byproduct of hydrogen ions here. Okay, now the oxyhemoglobin, okay, releases its oxygen. You can see here how the oxyhemoglobin releases its oxygen. Okay, so this oxygen, okay, will, okay, diffuse into the active respiring tissue, okay, because of the hemoglobin unable to maintain its full bound of oxygen carrying capacity in the presence of lower oxygen partial pressure in the active respiring tissue. Okay, so in active respiring tissue, the partial pressure of oxygen is very low, okay, but this active respiring tissues partial pressure of carbon dioxide, okay, in contrast is quite high. Now the hemoglobin, okay, from the dissociation of the oxyhemoglobin earlier, right, into oxygen and hemoglobin. Now this hemoglobin will bind with hydrogen ions, okay, which is from the dissociation of carbonic acid, okay, to form hemoglobinic acids, as you can see from here, HHB. Okay, the hemoglobinic acid causes the red blood cell, okay, to be deoxygenated and appears to be bluish purple. Okay, and then this deoxygenated blood will travel to the right heart and pump to the lungs for oxygenation. Okay, so that's it about transportation of oxygen in blood. Thank you for watching. All right.